Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Rohit. Whenever a new smartphone arrives in the market, every one of us gets excited and starts saving money for it, right? However, once we finally buy the smartphone, we forget how hard we have worked for it. And then eventually we stop caring for our phone, which affects life. The same thing happens with you, and this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you the things that you should never do with your phone if you want to use for last longer. So without skipping this video, watch till the end. But before that, if you are first time visiting this channel, please subscribe. And let's begin.
Number 1. Using battery savers. For getting good battery life on smartphone, people often install battery saving apps on their smartphone. But did you know these apps are harmful to your device? Actually, the battery saver app that you install on your device itself consumes your battery life when it's running in the background. These apps are useless. There is no point using such applications because all they do is turn off the features that aren't being used and kill the applications which are running in the background. These are the things which you can do yourself. For example, if you are not using location service on your device, then you can turn it off yourself. So why would you even use such applications? Hence, we would recommend you stay away from these apps in order to keep your battery running last longer. Number 2. Don't use cheap quality chargers and USB cables for charging. Whenever original chargers gets damaged, people always prefer to buy duplicate chargers because they cost less as compared to the original chargers. This can lead battery damages and increase chances of an explosion. So, always buy an original charger which is compatible with your smartphone brand. Number 3. Installing application from unknown sources. Without realizing risks, most smartphone users start installing apps from third-party websites or app stores. If you install apps from unknown sources, it may give you a paid software for free, but by doing that, you are encouraging privacy. Basically, what happens when you install apps from Play Store, Google monitor these apps. It's very conventional way to download apps from Play Store rather than downloading it from somewhere else and getting risks of malwares and spywares. So to avoid such stuff, always make sure you download apps from Play Store, and you can also check reviews of that particular app. Number 4. Don't ignore when app asks for permissions. Latest Android OS asks the users to accept or decline permissions for the apps they have installed. Because all the data leak controversies in the past, it is important to checking the permissions that an app asks for you. For example, if you are using app that allows you to manage your hashtags, it won't ask you permissions for your storage, mic, camera and anything else. If it asks, don't give the permissions. There are chances that the app will monitor you or use the data storage on your device. So next time when you install app, always pay attention to the app permissions. Number 5. Don't overcharge your smartphone. Stop the practice of charging your smartphone overnight or for long hours, as this may lead to overheating and it can also ruin battery life. Always unplug once the phone is charged and avoid exposing your smartphone to direct sunlight, especially while charging. Number 6. In the end, one thing keep in your mind. Keep your device updated. Always keep your smartphone updated, as it might enhance phone's performance and it allows you to access latest update features. Each update has some or the other improvements that can impact positivity on your device.
So I hope you found this video knowledgeable. If yes, please give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how do you feel about it. If you don't like this video, you can also thumbs down. And thank you for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care. Stay safe, stay healthy.